Oh geez, it's windy. Yeah, this is actually a weather warning right now for windstorm, and I'm getting blown all over the road. Yeah, so here we go. This is finally the DJI Osmo Action has external mic support. This is not through a DJI piece. It's through the Cynova 3.5mm mic adapter, and I'm running a cheapy $10 gamer headset mic. Oh, in the wind. I'm trying not to go in the ditch. I don't know if you noticed that, but I'm kicking way. This is not safe. Yeah, the winds now. Wow, I've never experienced wind this bad on a motorcycle before, but I really can't go straight. Unbelievable. Anyways, so yeah, $10. It is. I guess you can't really tell. There's really not many. Holy smokes! There's really not many trees. Wow, this is insane. Anyways, so I'm running the Cynova. That is so crazy. It's like I'm in a car and there's zero caster. That's what it feels like. Yeah, that's exactly what it feels like. Let's I was gonna go on the long road, but I'm gonna go do the short trip just because I don't want to die. I can't believe it. Yeah, it feels like there's zero caster. The bike does not want to go straight. I got the death grip right now because at least I'm going into a headwind right now, so this feels a little bit more stable. But on the open farmland plains here, it's wanting to take me sideways. Yeah, so this is the weather warning. Birds are probably loving it. So this mic here, $10 cheapy mic. I hit record, then I plugged it in. This way you get more treble. Other than that, you know, if you have it plugged in and then hit record on the Osmo Action, it actually sounds better with the Osmo Action internal mic, right? So that's one of the tricks. The other thing with the Cynova adapter is there is a foam pad on it, and the foam pad is between the adapter and the camera. So the foam pad is on the adapter. You want to remove that adapter. First thing you do, remove it for two reasons. With the adapter on, it felt like it was gonna pop out, and then also with the adapter on, the problem that I noticed was I didn't get a good connection most of the time. It wasn't reading the adapter and the mic. So just remove that little piece of foam tape. It's about 1.5 millimeters thick, and once you do that, you get a very positive click on that USB-C plug into the Osmo Action, right? So that's a must do. I was actually thinking about shaving down the adapter a tad bit to try to get an even more positive fit, but it's a bit of a gamble if it's gonna help it or hurt it. Yeah, so there is less wind here. I can still feel it. I'm being pushed to my left here. This is crazy. At least there's not a lot of traffic, but that was scary in the open farmland there. Yeah, so I like the sound of my old mic setup. Yeah, another mic for me talking, and the DJI for the external sound sounded really good. But I really want to hear what this sounds like using just the DJI for everything. Yeah, what's going on here? Oh, guy picking up lumber up ahead. Like I said, it's super windy here. Yeah, the interesting thing about this whole setup is going to be the sound, because everybody says bike sounds awesome in the vids, but they don't know that I'm running 2 different mic setups, 2 different recorders. So just with the one here, we're going to see what it sounds like. Okay. Yeah, so now finally I would say the Osmo Action Can Motovlog. Finally. It's been a while till somebody released this adapter. Now it's here, and it can do it. Yeah, rock steady is, like the name says, rock steady. This has by far the best stabilization, and now there's in-helmet audio is possible through this Cynova adapter. So yeah, look at the image here. Should be totally smooth. But yeah, audio, tell me what you think. I think it sounds decent. I did notice just with my Rode video micro mic that like that's not a non-powered mic. It was a little bit boosted. It felt like it was it needed a dB cut on that mic because there's some distortion. So I guess it really depends on what mic you're using. This is a cheapy Amazon gamer mic. The reason I chose this was because it had a boom on it. It actually looks very much like a Cena mic. Alright, so yeah, finally this Osmo Action Can Motovlog. Alright, so thanks for watching. Check out the other videos, and as always, peace out.